How to calculate GED probability for different scenarios. Imagine you're trying to figure out the chances of something happening, like winning a game or drawing a specific card. That's what probability is all about. On the GED test, understanding how to calculate probability helps you interpret data and solve problems. First, you need to know that probability measures the chance that a particular event will happen. It is written as a fraction, a decimal, or a percentage. The main formula is simple. Probability of an event equals the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of possible outcomes. For example, if you have a deck of 52 cards and want to find the chance of drawing a heart, count the hearts, which are 13, then divide by 52. That gives you 13 divided by 52, which simplifies to 1/4 or 0.25, meaning a 25% chance. When you're dealing with multiple events, how you calculate probability depends on whether the events are independent or dependent. Independent events are like flipping a coin and rolling a die. The outcome of one doesn't affect the other. To find the combined probability, multiply the probabilities of each event. For example, if the chance of snow on Tuesday is 20%, on Wednesday is 70%, and on Thursday is 40%, then the chance it snows all 3 days is 0.2 times 0.7 times 0.4, which equals about 0.056, or 5.6%. For dependent events, like drawing cards without replacing them, you need to adjust the total outcomes after each event. You do this by reducing the total possible outcomes based on what has already happened. When expressing probability, you can switch between fractions, decimals, and percentages. To convert a fraction to a decimal, divide the top number by the bottom. To change a decimal into a percent, multiply by 100 or move the decimal 2 places to the right. If you want to find the chance that an event does not happen, subtract its probability from 1. For example, if the chance of snow on Tuesday is 20%, then the chance it will not snow is 80%. When an event is likely to happen multiple times in a row, like snow falling every day for a week, you can raise the probability to a power. For instance, if the chance of snow on one day is 80%, then the chance it snows all 7 days is 80% raised to the 7th power. Using a calculator makes this easier. You would calculate 0.8 raised to the power of 7, which is about 20.97%. Remember, practicing these steps helps you get comfortable with probability problems. You need to identify the total and favorable outcomes, use the basic formula, multiply probabilities for independent events, subtract from 1 for not events, convert between formats, and use powers for repeated events. These skills are essential for the GED Mathematical Reasoning section, especially in data analysis and statistics. Being able to interpret probabilities helps you understand data better and make predictions. Keep practicing, and you'll be ready to handle any probability question that comes your way on the test.